What's up, peeps? TechVet Travis here with another tech review. So today we'll be doing a review on the ZettaGuard portable dock for your laptop so you can get dual display capabilities. So today most laptops come with only, an HDMI port. Most commonly they come with USB Type-C cables, which a lot of monitors take nowadays, but mostly you can only hook it up to one additional monitor. And that limits you because you can only use the laptop monitor and then an additional desktop, and when you close the laptop monitor, then you only have one monitor. So I bought this guy and it does its intended purpose. I wanted to do dual displays, and with this you can actually set up 3 displays and have one going from your laptop. So I'm going to show you guys the front side here, which has 2 USB Type-C ports and then 2 USB 3.0 ports, as well as a headphone and microphone jack. Then when we flip the device around to the back, you get 2 more additional 3.0 ports, so that's 4 in total. You get a DVI port and then an HDMI port, as well as the USB port and then Ethernet to hook up, directly to your router in case you want that super good speed, you know what I mean? But this thing wasn't easy to set up. So it came with a CD, which I haven't seen for, hardware in a long time come with CDs. You can usually just go to the website and download what you need. But this came with a CD, so I put the CD in my laptop because I have a Sager, so I still have a disk drive. Disk drives are pretty good. You still need them sometimes, but you can always go over to the website and download the firmware that you need. So it was hard to set this thing up. I actually had to think a little bit, go to a couple websites to get an idea. But to give you a tip, if you are interested in a device like this and you want to set it up, you need to go to your control panel, then you go to your device manager. I'll show you here in a video right now. So here is me going over to the control panel. Then we click into the device manager, and then you have to go down to the adapter setting. And once you get into the adapter setting, you pick the lap dock, and then you update it. To the latest firmware version. Once you update it, the monitor should automatically flicker on, and then you'll have your setup. All you have to do is go over to your display settings and make sure that you extend the desktops to make it 1, 2, 3 instead of just having duplicate desktops. So you guys, let me know if you're in the market for something like this. I know a lot of people probably like, I don't care about it, but it's cool. If you want dual monitors or you want triple monitors with a laptop setup, this is an option to look into. It was about $69.99 on Amazon when I purchased it. I'll drop the link down below if you guys are interested in the product. Let me know if you guys like this video. Give me a thumbs up. Comment down below more video ideas you guys want to see from me. And I hope all you guys take care, man. Peace.